Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So just a quick video really. Kaz and myself have come out on a bike ride and we thought we'd come and check out the Bridlington Animal Park, which has got birds in, and it's changed a little bit.
It's changed massively. It's now turned the factory warehouse into Poundstretcher, including the pet hut.
So guys, have we found a little hidden gem just outside Bridlington near Carnaby? Let's take a look. What do you think, Kaz?
Well, it's a massive improvement to what we used to have. There used to be hardly anything here when it first started years ago, but this has massively changed.
I'm very impressed with this, with the yurts and everything.
Oh, they look quite good, don't they?
They look really good.
They look decent.
I like the pods. The camping pods look lovely. Oh, here she is.
It looks impressive, doesn't it? I'm not sure how much it costs, guys. We just stumbled across it. It's been years since we've been here, because years ago it wasn't like this.
It looks like they also store some as well.
So you've got a little cafe there. Shopping just there. Sorry guys, we are on a bike ride, so I got my helmet on. Let's have a quick look at the touring caravan area. So guys, this is the touring area. I love them trailers. Area to wash your pots. So it's called Caravan Park Rose. Oh, sorry, Park Rose Caravan. And you have to be quiet after 9:30. It's a nice little spot, this. So you got your toilet areas here and your showers here. So guys, that's not a bad little spot. No, I didn't go into the toilets because I'm not staying here, and it looks like you need a key or the lock would say, yeah, that's all right, that. And then you got your statics. Your statics look a bit older, but yeah, not too bad. It's smart. It's smart. And you really, I mean, you've got everything you need, because just up the road, you've got Bridlington, which, if you're into cycling and whatnot, is something you can do quite easily. Drive up, there's plenty of parking. They are building a new multi-storey in Bridlington as well. Plenty of places to eat and have a drink and whatnot. As you know, our favourite is the Ship at Subi. We love that place. Also guys, there's plenty of car parking spaces if you just want to visit, and over there you've got all your statics, so there's plenty of statics I think you can hire as well. I assume some people own them, but it's not a little it's not a bad little sorry.
We'll try to get the word
out. I know. Sometimes when I talk, my brain does one thing, then it's like, oh, what am I saying? What am I saying? Yeah, it's not bad.
good.
It's not bad at all.
It looks really nice, to be fair.
So guys, this was just a quick video.
An unexpected video.
Part of a little series of quick videos we're going to do. So yeah, it's not bad at all. So as
And who
usual,
knew this was on our doorstep?
yeah. So as usual, guys, please
Subscribe. It's
at
free. Also, hype us. If we're on a short, please hype us. Especially if you're on your mobile, because that obviously helps boost the channel. Also, don't forget, pause us. Right hand side, I don't know which one's the right hand side of the screen, but either way, look at the bottom. There's a thumbs up, thumbs down, comment. So just give us a like, and our little symbol where you can subscribe. Press on that to subscribe, and it's absolutely free.
So try a bit.
Try a bit.